Luxury, speed, and exclusivity. These are the hallmarks of the world's most expensive cars. Today we're counting down the top 10 priciest automobiles that redefine the meaning of luxury. In this video, I will show you top 10 most expensive cars in the world. 10. Bugatti Chiron Super Sport 300+. Kicking off our list at number 10 is the Bugatti Chiron Super Sport 300+, priced at $3.9 million. With a top speed of over 300 mph, this hypercar combines unmatched speed with impeccable design. 9. Lamborghini Veneno. At number 9 is the Lamborghini Veneno, costing $4.5 million. Created to celebrate Lamborghini's 50th anniversary, this limited edition masterpiece offers futuristic design and breathtaking performance. 8. Koenigsegg CCXR Trevita. Number 8 is the Koenigsegg CCXR Trevita, with a price tag of $4.8 million. Its name means three whites, referencing the unique diamond-coated carbon fiber used in its body. 7. Pagani Huayra Imola. At $5.4 million, the Pagani Huayra Imola takes the 7th spot. Known for its advanced aerodynamics and stunning craftsmanship, it's a true work of art. 6. Bugatti Divo. Coming in at number 6, the Bugatti Divo costs $5.8 million. With improved handling and a lighter body than the Chiron, it's built for the track. 5. Mercedes-Maybach Exelero. The Mercedes-Maybach Exelero takes the 5th spot with a jaw-dropping price of $8 million. This one-of-a-kind luxury coupe is both elegant and powerful.
4. Bugatti Centodieci. At $9 million, the Bugatti Centodieci is number 4. Inspired by the iconic EB110, it's a modern tribute to Bugatti's heritage, with only 10 units produced. Rolls-Royce Sweptail. In 3rd place is the Rolls-Royce Sweptail, priced at $13 million. Custom built for a client, this car blends timeless elegance with cutting-edge luxury. 2. Pagani Zonda HP Barchetta. At number 2, we have the Pagani Zonda HP Barchetta, costing $17.5 million. Its open-top design and rare materials make it a collect one Rolls-Royce Boat Tail. And finally, the most expensive car in the world, the Rolls-Royce Boat Tail, priced at an unbelievable $28 million. With bespoke features, handcrafted details, and yacht-inspired design, it's the epitome of luxury. These cars aren't just vehicles. They're masterpieces of engineering and design. Which one would you choose if money were no object? Let us know in the comments.